Hey guys, hi. How are you? I hope you're well. Listen, today's video is gonna be so quick because A, it's a small topic. It's just quick, and B, my dog is taking a nap behind me and I don't want to disturb her. Okay, is that too much to ask? No. Um, but today is a dupe video, by the way, if you didn't know already. Of course, you know that I wrote it on the description and title, but today is a dupe video and it's on a blush, and whoever knows me knows that blush is my favorite article to put on my face while doing a makeup. I never miss it. I usually skip everything else, just put blush and lipstick, as I did today, that you can see. I don't have any concealer or foundation, or not even my brows. My brows are really janky. I don't care. But I do have blush and some lipstick on. Oh, the dupe is on one side. Guess which? So, the original product today is MAC's Warm Soul. It's a mineralized blush. It's a warm terracotta. Retails for 3,000. Really dumb expensive. But it's really nice. It's so soft. It's so silky. It just livens up your face, and it's so nice. I love it. It's my favorite blush ever. Okay. And the dupe for this is Deborah Milano. Who would have thought? Not me. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I saw these and I was like, they look very similar to the MAC blush that I have. And then I bought one, and then I'm like, oh my god, these are the same thing. Oh my god. So the blush that I'm going to be talking about today is Deborah Milano baked blushes in number 52 terracotta. So you can see it's the same thing. This on the pan looks like a tad darker than this. Okay, these are the two things. This is the MAC one, this is the Deborah one. So on the pan this looks a tad darker than this, and if you do finger swatches also, this will appear a little bit darker. But we don't put blushes like that. We usually swirl our brushes in it and then we put it on our cheeks, and once you do it, it's the same thing. Can you tell a difference on my cheek? I can't, my friends can't. So I thought it's a really good dupe. Okay, they feel the same. The fact is their what do you call it, their formulation and consistency is so similar. So again, on my hand you'll see a little bit of a difference. This is the MAC one, this is the Deborah one. All right, this looks a tad bit warmer than this, but trust me, this is the same thing on the cheek. And there's a huge price difference, 3,500 something, which usually is on a discount somewhere on Myntra or on Nykaa or on Flipkart. I usually get these for around 300 something. But I was so impressed with these. I got like two more shades, not of the same color, but I will get a backup of terracotta shade because I'm obsessed with it. Okay, I'm obsessed with it. Even if you're here and if you don't want the MAC dupe, or this color is not for you, but trust me, their formulas are so same. If you like anything, okay, say from the MAC mineralized blushes, if you have a color that you're eyeing but it's way too expensive for you, try and find the same color in the Deborah mineralized blushes, because they also have a range of colors which also are really similar in undertone and colors to the MAC mineralized blushes. It is so similar. I am so impressed. Okay, I've hardly been this impressed with a makeup dupe in a long time, especially because whenever people talk about MAC mineralized blush dupes, they always talk about makeup items which say are like $1,000, $1,200 or $800, which defeats the purpose. The purpose of a dupe is they have to be cheap, not relatively cheap. They have to be like considerably cheap, and this one is. And though this is cheap, but they don't what's that word, they basically the product is really nice, okay. They are not I can't speak English today. I don't have the word. I'm thinking of something, but I don't have the word. But basically, what I'm trying to tell you is, the product is really nice. Okay, it's high end quality. Yes, the packaging seems a little cheap, but it gets the work done. This will not break. This is travel friendly, and yeah, this is like really compact, very nice. Love it. The other colors that I have is paprika and apricot. Hold on. So there's another shade in the matte mineralized blush range. Forget the name of this shade. Was it Lovejoy or Dainty? Okay, something which is a more pinky hued color, which this is a dupe for. That one is, this is a dupe for that shade basically. I can't speak today, I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is, I think, paprika, and this is apricot. Such nice shades, right? I am so impressed. These are not very pigmented because we don't want clown cheeks. These are very buildable, very nice. They have a sheen to them which makes your skin look very healthy. I don't wear highlighter. Do I have highlighters? To be very honest, I don't wear it. I don't like overly shiny face. Whatever you're seeing right now, I don't have highlighter on. Okay, this is whatever is from the moisturizer or the oil or the sunscreen or my skin or whatever. It's basically that. I don't wear a lot of highlighter, so I generally like products to have blushes to have a little bit of a sheen to it, though I love matte blushes also. Speaking of matte blushes, I have also found very identical dupes of the MAC matte blushes, especially in the color Melba, Gingerly, and Pinch Me. If you guys want to see it, just let me know. I'll make it for you. But yeah, this basically was the video. I don't know how many people are interested in a blush dupe right now, especially from a brand like Deborah. But if you are, and if you wanted to get this, I would highly suggest you trying these out first, because these are equally as good, if not better. Actually, let me just rephrase it, because personally I feel these are better. Okay, I'm just saying it out loud. These are better. Get them. These are like 500-ish. You'll half of the time you get it in 300. Go to Myntra right now, you'll find it in 300. Okay, I can promise you that. But if you can get a hold on these, please grab these are fantastic product. And yeah, that was basically the dupe video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. I'll put my Insta ID here if you want to join, follow, whatever you call that. If you want to follow me there, do follow me there. I'll put my Twitter somewhere here or in the description down below. Let me know what else you want to see. I have one more review coming, which I'll do it in, I want to say next week. Yeah, next week, promise, because I'm going out for the weekend. I won't be there. If you want a vlog, I might do a vlog for the weekend, considering I'm going out after 7 months. I'm pretty psyched about it. That's something I have to think about and talk to my friends. That's not a bad idea, but I'll consider that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hopefully I didn't disturb my dog too much. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video whenever I post it. Hopefully it's next week. Promise it's next week. After that, I don't know. Okay, after that, whenever I get an inspiration, or if you guys suggest something, I'll post accordingly. But yeah, thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a very, very, very good day. I hope you're having fun during autumn and you're keeping safe, wearing your mask, cleaning your hands, and keeping a sanitizer in your pocket. And with that being said, I will take your leave and I will see you, all of you, very, very soon. All right. Okay. So that's a wrap from my side. I hope you have a brilliant day ahead. Thank you for joining me today. Please consider joining if you haven't already. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.